Hey guys, this is a Timeusb socket, power socket thing. I actually got it from Timeusb for free, just to do a review on it. This is kind of an unboxing. I already untaped it all, so just give me a minute. There's the product manual. 12 volt, 24 volt. Tells you everything. How to mount it. The cabling looks like a Anderson connector, 40 amp connector, which is pretty good. Nice foam. There's this little guy. That's cute. Again, this is from Timeusb, and they did give me this for free to review it. So it has, looks like a cigarette lighter, power button, barrel connectors, a little display. We'll look at that here in a minute. USB 3.0, and Type-C. And on the bottom, you have input and output, and then your bracket. It's pretty small. Pretty neat. It's really cool. It looks like here's the connector. That's pretty cool. Then they give you an extra one, an extra Anderson connector. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it's around 15 feet long for the cable. It's pretty long. It looks like maybe, probably, what is that, 12 gauge, 10 gauge wire? So yeah, that's about right. 40 amp in the mounting screws. Alright guys, thank you. I'll show you when I hook it up.